Imagine if Nigeria's next generation of graduates not only have the required knowledge, but also workplace ready skills and opportunities to thrive. While companies and businesses, on the other hand, found it easier for them to discover talent that grow with them. That future is possible today with Career Ladder. Hi, I'm Mykail Arisa, and I'm your friendly value mate. Now, I'm the lead project manager. I'm here to secure the support and partnership of our investors and the businesses present, of course, with our board to be able to develop and scale our EdTech solution that bridges education, internship, and career growth. And today I'm going to show you the urgent problem we are facing, and I'm going to explain why it matters, as well as present solution and share some progress reports which includes user feedback and future roadmap. Now, here's the amazing team that have been able to bring this project to life. See, Nigeria faces a skill gap crisis. Graduates lack workplace readiness. It is seen that 3 in 5 employers report difficulty finding the right candidate with both a great technical skill and soft skill. Students, on the other hand, also struggle with poor work-study culture, leaving them unprepared for real jobs. If we can get this right, it means that for investors, they will be able to reap a significant return on investment due to the rising demand of EdTech models. Now, businesses, on the other hand, will also be able to access skilled interns and future employees who are ready and prepared for growth. And most importantly, this project is going to align with our mission to transform education and workforce readiness in Nigeria. That said, I would love you to meet our user persona, Dixon Emmanuel. Now, Dixon is a final year student at University of Calabar. He dreams of working in digital marketing, and then one of the challenges he's facing is that he struggles with a structured pathway that can help him go through career readiness and, of course, expose him to a lot of businesses. Another thing, he's not even sure of what companies are going to truly need his services. This means that Dixon risks becoming another unemployed graduate, despite having the drive and potential to succeed. So here are some important insights you need to know. Now, this particular graph is showing us the rising rate of unemployment since the last 4 years, and there is no decline in sight. So for the second insight, according to a 2023 survey by PwC, 50% of companies decry that most applicants are not job ready. Additionally, companies are spending a huge amount of their operational budgets on training and retraining staffs, while youth unemployment continues to aggravate poverty and insecurity while hindering national productivity. Our solution is an AI-powered EdTech platform that features student onboarding, skill assessment, personalized curriculum, paid internship, career matching, mentorship, as well as business education modules for SMEs, talent discovery, and employee growth tracking. Now, why does this work? Well, students will get a tailored growth path, and businesses, on the other hand, will gain a pipeline of skilled hires. So we've gone ahead to create a wireframe, and this is our screen for student onboarding and assessment. So this one is showing what the personalized curriculum dashboard would look like. And this wireframe is all about the business talent discovery and monitoring dashboard. We went ahead to test our wireframes, and the user feedback highlights that there's a demand for career tracking by the students, as well as talent monitoring for businesses. So based upon those feedbacks, we were able to implement a couple of changes. And we are hoping that in the next 3 months, we are going to be achieving these key performance indicators, looking at achieving 1,000 students onboarded and 200 matched internships. We are also looking at getting 50 businesses engaged with education and hiring features. We are also looking at achieving an 80% satisfaction rate in prototype feedback. Now, for future vision, we are looking at regional scaling using AI-powered skill job matching, and of course, the business ecosystem growth. Now, we are also looking at gaining monetization for our investors and our board through subscription models, commission on placements, as well as introducing paid learning modules. So we've identified a critical gap in Nigeria's education to employment pipeline. Our EdTech platform directly addresses this by preparing students for real-world work while helping businesses access and grow the right talent. So we ask that you invest and partner with us to build and scale this platform, starting with a prototype rollout and expanding into a nationwide workforce transformation tool. Together, we can transform Nigeria's education and workforce system, turning untapped potential into a powerful force for business growth and national development. Thank you very much.